Oh yeah, it's a nice fish. Oh, look at that guy. Hello there. Kobe and I want it easy today, and we're gonna show you, right? You don't need to be what's the word I'm looking for? An expert, haven't had my coffee yet, expert fly tyer to catch fish. So I went to this little place called Shipwreck Beads, got some glass beads, threw them on a hook, and Kobe and I are gonna catch fish off of a DIY fly today. Let's go do it, fish on.
Three hours later.
Finally! The one thing about these videos is people don't realize how long we sit here with nothing. And all of a sudden, Kobe got a little funk. Could it be on the fly that you tied?
No.
Oh, no.
It's not.
Dang it. It's a good fish. That's a nice fish. Oh, look at that guy. Wow. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. That is a good fish.
Boy.
Wow. Nice.
Thousands of tears later.
Way to go, Co.
One fish.
One fish.
6 hours, one fish.
Better than no fish. Well, it's the last day of the year. Didn't quite go off with a bang. At least Kobe got a nice one in the net though. So, but yeah, it was painfully slow. I got a skunk. 0.